What is up, team? Chuck with Traders War Room, and I'm back at you with another video. I got a special video today. We're going to talk about the Traders War Room Algo Bot. I'm going to teach you guys how to utilize our Algo Bot. I'm going to teach you how and why the Traders War Room Algo Bot is different than the other ones, and we're going to explain why we want you to rock with us and not the other ones. But what I need you to do right now is hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and I need you guys to come along with me on the journey. Check the description tab out. All the tools and tidbits and all the link for Traders War Room products and services right there at your fingertips. Guys, invest in yourself in 2022 and come along with us for the ride. Now, if that sounds good and you're ready to rock it with us, then all I got to say to you is follow me and let's go to war. Legal disclaimer, this is not financial advice. The content is for entertainment and education purposes only. You're responsible for every decision you make. We want you to have fun, use caution, and always go to war. Check out traderswarroom.com, a true one-stop shop with all the products and services that Traders War Room has to offer. Check us out often. We are constantly evolving this process and trying to put out the best stuff for you guys, man. We truly want to be a one-stop shop for all traders and investors, and it starts at traderswarroom.com. You'll find links to our Discord, the one-stop shop, free and paid services. Guys, if you haven't checked us out on Discord, you are missing out. We got a fantastic crew of like-minded investors. We have all the real-time buy and sell alerts from the analysts. We got the AI bot over there. We got trade and signaling feeds from professional analysts. I'm telling you, there's something for everybody over at Traders War Room. You need to check us out today. Like I said, free and paid services. Definitely do yourself a service and come check us out. Here's some of the services that we offer. This is not all inclusive. We got a lot more things, but these are the highlighted ones. We're talking about the machine learning algorithm bot today. So specifically, this video is covering that. But we wanted to highlight some of our features like the one-on-one mentoring. We focus on you guys. We're booked in 1-hour sessions, and you can book your session at traderswarroom.com. You need to refine a skill, you need to develop a new plan, or you just want some confirmation that your plan is actually working and maybe just tighten up a little bit. We got you covered. Check us out and book your session at traderswarroom.com. Zoom classes, purchase upcoming and historical classes, only $15 a pop. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, you're not going to find better content and quality of classes out there for the price. I promise you that, okay? We put a lot of time and effort into our classes, and we have a huge inventory right there on the website. You can purchase the historical classes and view from the website 24/7, and all of our upcoming classes, we do them live. You book and register your seat, and everybody that shows up for the live recording, you guys get the copy as soon as it's done before it's put on the website for a tool and a reference. Again, reminder, check out the description tab. This goes on YouTube. You guys just click it. There'll be all the hyperlinks right there, and everything is right there at your fingertips so that you guys can get invested, get more knowledgeable, and hopefully make money and also grow your market knowledge. We want you to invest in yourself in 2022, and we want you to do that with Traders War Room, okay? Please check out traderswarroom.com. And without further ado, let's get into the Traders War Room Algo Bot Breakdown. So why should you rock with Traders War Room Algo Bot? Well, first of all, it has a high success win rate, all right? It works on any platform. It does the searching for tickers for you, works with options and stocks. It has a 2-year back test on each alert, clean and easy to understand alert, and we utilize machine learning, so it's constantly trying to evolve itself. The Traders War Room Artificial Intelligent Trading Signaling Bot That's a mouthful, guys. For right now, we can just call this thing the Terminator, all right? It's only on Traders War Room and only on the Discord at this time. So the Terminator takes charts and values, calculates it through history, searches and produces tickers that only meet specific criteria for a clean alert. It takes charts like I'm about to show you with tons of data, but are extremely busy. So charts like this, yes, tons of data right here. As you can see, it has pretty much everything that a trader's dream would be, but to each their own. Not all of us use this stuff. And honestly, I'm a professional trader and I'm looking at this and this looks messy. It looks overwhelming. And that is something that we are human. We just can't process that much information at one time all the time, guys, especially when the market's buzzing. But the Terminator, it can do it for us. And so what it does is it takes all that tons of value that is very confusing and extremely busy, and especially for new investors, and it produces a clean alert. So it takes the info, right? Processes it through 2 years of data instantaneously, evaluates it through a Traders War Room proprietary algorithm, develops a signal, then produces a clean alert to easily understand, and it's only for stocks that meet the certain criteria. So let's look at some of the alerts from today, right? 11 April. So right here, we have some of the alerts that we had going on today. And I got this in systematic order from market bell opening to market bell closing. So you can see kind of what it got. On the left, you know, when the market was buzzing at the very beginning, it was talking about Microsoft, it was talking about CLF, it was talking about MO. Now, something that the AI bot does is it constantly evolves and adapts as the market is trending, right? So something that maybe was popping off in the morning would not be popping off in the midday or in the late afternoon. So the algorithm bot is going to take that into consideration and only produce tickers, like I said, that meet certain criteria. And here's the ones closing out the market. You can see, like I said, man, there's tons of alerts. I mean, there's about 15, 16 alerts that this bot pushed out in the day. Lots of money to be made, lots of opportunity out there, guys. I'm telling you, this Terminator bot is extremely effective, extremely important, and it makes people a lot of money. So as you can see, those alerts are extremely clean, they're extremely easy to read, and they change as the market changes. Let's look at it again, right? It gives you the signal, it gives you the date of the signal, it gives you the time when the signal came, it gives you the signal ticker, and it gives you the underlying stock price. Now that's important to understand because we talk about stocks and options, right? It's giving you the underlying stock price of when the signal came out and the Terminator bot decided to get into a position long or short. All these are long because the market always goes up, and the Terminator bot knows that the market's always going up, right? So a lot more long signals than short signals you'll see from the Terminator bot. So what is the big difference? And I know you guys are asking between Trader War Room Algo Bot and all of the rest. And I'm glad you asked that because we're going to break that down, what separates the pack. So most other algos, they only work on one trading platform. So an algo that works for Thinkorswim is only going to work on Thinkorswim. An algo that works for WEBULL is only going to work on WEBULL. An algo that works on TradingView is only going to work on TradingView, so on and so forth, right? And sometimes most of the algos, you have to run the algo each time you want to do it. So when you want to run an algo, you have to run it every single time, and then you got to add it to your chart as an overlay, right? Also, a lot of the algorithms, you only get the best alerts when it's on the computer, so it doesn't transfer as well and as effectively when you move to your phone, and that could take some of your trading away because not everybody's trading on their computer all the time. They kind of bounce back and forth. It only works with stocks or options, not both. That's common, okay? One will work with stocks, one will work with options, but it's hard to find a true algorithm that's inputted into the systems that works with both stocks and options. And you have to input the ticker each time you run the algo. Similar to like you got to run the algo each time. If you wanted to run it on SPY and then you wanted to run it on, say, Tesla, you'd have to go back into the editor, add in, take out SPY, add in Tesla, and then run it again and add it to the chart, okay? It can get time consuming, especially when the market is buzzing, and especially when things are moving and seconds matter. So example, we're gonna use TradingView right here, right? For instance, here's the chart. At the top, you got an overlaying oscillator, and you got an overlaying chart, and then you got an oscillator on the bottom. Excuse me, guys. So How TradingView works, right? You input the algorithm into the Pine editor. You add it to the chart, then it puts it on an overlay on the chart, and some algorithms work automatically, but the other ones you have to input the individual tickers, and a lot of times you don't know what you're getting until you already paid for it, and then you find out. WEBULL, for instance, exactly kind of the same thing. They use Pine as well, but it's a different type of Pine platform. You put the algo into Pine, you add it to the chart, you hit done, you save it, and then it goes onto your chart like an overlay again. Same process. Now, Robinhood, if you're a Robinhood trader, this does not work for Robinhood at this time. This is pretty much about the extent of detail that you can get only on the website with Robinhood. You can't get this type of detail on the mobile phone yet, but on the website, you can get charts with this type of detail, but you cannot use scripts on Robinhood yet. Thinkorswim, you can utilize it pretty similar to the WEBULL and TradingView, but I didn't add Thinkorswim on because I think you guys get the point of what I'm trying to get at as far as adding into the algorithms and putting it onto the chart. So again, I asked you guys, why use the Traders War Room Algo Bot? Well, quite simply, it works on all platforms. You do not have to run code. It works on stocks and options. You do not have to search for the stocks. It does it for you, and it works on the computer or the phone. It's your choice. It's your trading. Do it your way. Your algo, your way, making money anywhere. TradingView, no issues. WEBULL, no problem. Robinhood, we got you covered. Thinkorswim, Fidelity, etc., etc. Guys, you get my point. You really need to get this Traders War Room Algorhythm bot because it is amazing and it works for everybody. So how to use the Traders War Room Algo Bot? Well, I'm glad you did that. First of all, I got to let you know, you got to be part of Traders War Room. So you got to come on our Discord, guys. That's the only way you can get our Traders War Room Algo Bot. And the bot pushes out an alert with levels. You check the chart on your platform of choice. You decide shares or options. You decide day, swing, or position, and you invest at your own risk tolerance, guys. It's all in your hands. So let's take an alert from today. For example, I'm going to use the very last one that we got out at 15.35 Walmart, and the bot got in a level at $154.10. Okay, the bot's telling you that on its history of trading Walmart tickers, it has an 87% win rate with 15 trades closed. Okay, it's giving you guys every ticker. You can look right there, has that same information, the win rate that it has with that particular ticker. So I'm using WEBULL, for example, with this particular chart. So we take Walmart, and now I want to be something crystal clear with you guys. Anytime I look at a chart, I'm always looking at a bird's eye view approach. You got to look at a day. So example, the alert came in, I saw the alert, Walmart, ooh, okay, I'm going to go check the chart. Day chart first, and it's obvious decision based off the time that we're looking at a swing, okay? We're not really looking to day trade this thing unless it extremely popped very quickly, but we're looking at a swing because it's coming in about 25 minutes before the bell is ringing, right? So we start out far, day, and then we can work in the smaller time frames. My rule of thumb is daily, 15 minutes for swings, 5 minute, 1 minute for day trades at least. So going into the 5 minute chart because we want to check the levels, where it was at, right? The Walmart alert came in at 15.35 at the price level of 154.10. So the orange line there, that signifies the time frame. The blue line there is the price level of when the alert came out. So basically, this is where your decision comes in to get into the trade or not. And I'm using 3 reasons why to get in. And some of those reasons are momentum and sentiment, some sort of catalyst or news, and TA and chart levels. So thinking about it, what's the chart telling me? Where's the support and resistance? Oversold, overbought, consolidating, reversing, pattern present, new catalyst, stock share consideration. Am I getting it on a dip? What are the recent highs and lows? What is the candlestick pattern? And what are the indicators telling me? Option considerations, same as the stocks, but we're adding flow and we want to know the volume in the contracts, right? So on this particular trade, 3 reasons why. I'm looking at it, it's coming down from looking like a downtrend and kind of looking to reverse potentially, right? Pin and reversal on the 5 minute, the RSI is starting to curl, the MACD looks like it wants to curl. I would take this trade. 3 reasons why right there, I would take the trade. But I would also do some due diligence and look at a few other things. I would look at the most recent flow for Walmart, kind of see the sentiment. And when you look at the recent flow, you see a bunch of green C's rolling around. Not too many people are thinking about puts at this time on Walmart. And then you look at some news and you notice that the short percentage of float has fallen almost 10% since the last report. Well, we know this as avid investors because we do our homework, that short interest is important because it's an indicator of market sentiment towards particular stocks. Increase in short interest can signal a bearish approach to a stock, while a decrease in short interest can show a bullish representation into the stock. So 10% float going down, that's telling me that we're starting to get some bullish momentum. We just had a huge run in Walmart, here recently. It's probably a cool down period, maybe looking to consolidate and start reversing to go test those highs again. I like the trade, and this would be one of the criteria that I would take this particular trade in this instance. So I do want to give you some important notes. News will always trump TA. Negative news could dump a trending stock. Check multiple sources of info before you get into your trade is never a bad idea. Remember, we can make money both ways. We don't just have to go on calls. I know everyone's a bull at heart, but if the bull market is weak, we go bear market, okay? Same thing. If the bear market's weak, we go bull, all right? You just got to be able to make money both riding the waves up and riding the waves down. And when options, I'm always trying to go at the money or in the money as much as my portfolio and my capital can afford. So what are you waiting for, guys? Try out the Traders War Room Algo Bot today. Guys, it works on any platform. It can be traded on your phone and your computer. It's great for generating trading ideas for trending stocks. It's only on Traders War Room and only for premium members on the Discord. It will destroy the market. I promise you that. This thing is amazing. And here's the Discord, the one-stop shop. We got the free and paid services. Unfortunately, the AI bot, you do have to be a premium member, but guess what? If you join the Premium 2.0, you get a 5-day trial to check it out for yourself. 5-day trials to check it out, and then you can cancel anytime, and you don't have to become a premium member unless you want to. So we want you to invest in yourself in 2022. We want you to do a Traders War Room and check us out at traderswarroom.com. With that said, I thank you guys for listening to me talk and ramble on about the awesome Terminator Traders War Room AI bot. I want you guys to check it out. I want you on the team. Listen, we look at the stock market like a war zone, stocks and sectors. Those are our battles. We do it together as a team. Attack, conquer, destroy. And now with the Terminator bot, we are completely annihilating the marketplace. And if you are ready, I want you to follow me and we'll go to war together.